Hello everyone. Now let's see the implementation of Ethernet LAN using N nodes, and we'll assign the multiple traffic to the nodes, and we'll obtain the congestion window for different sources or destinations. For this, I'll open Sigwin, and here I'll type start xwin, enter. One white color window will open. So here I'm going to move to my directory cd double dot forward cd space double dot forward slash double dot, enter. Then I'll make sure that ls command I'll use. Yes, my folder delete is there, so I'll move to that folder cd space delete, enter. Now I'll create one folder there. I'll open my C drive. So here Sigwin, and here delete folder, and here I will open exp5. So new, exp5. So here programming notepad I'll open, and here I'll name this as file, save as. I'll name this as exp5.tcl. Actually this is exp4 anything, exp5.tcl I'll tell. Then I'll close this, then I'll minimize this. Then here on the desktop, this also I'll try to minimize. On the desktop, this NSG 2.1 application I'll double click. I'll go to scenario, new add scenario. Here I'm going to implement 4 nodes, 2 nodes as source nodes and 2 nodes as destination node. I'm trying to see or verify the traffic between them. Congestion window I'll verify. So congestion window is nothing but analysis of traffic. So I'll go to node, single node itself. 4 nodes I'm going to connect. One node N0, second node N1, third node N2, fourth node N3 I'm going to connect. So I have placed here. Then no need of any duplex link. Go to TCP or go to agent. There by default TCP is selected. Select one more time. From N0 to 1 TCP I will connect, and from N2 1 TCP I will connect. And I'll go to application, FTP I'll select. From TCP 1 FTP, from TCP 0 1 FTP I have to connect. I have connected in this fashion. Now I'll go to agent. So I'll click on TCP. Then first I have to select TCP sync, because these 2 destination nodes I'm considering. For these 2 I need to connect the syncs. After connecting, then I'll click on TCP. In the agent itself I'll click on TCP, and then I'm going to interconnect TCP 0 with sync 3, TCP 1 with sync 2. So this itself the diagram. Now I'll click on TCL. So the file is generated. I'll click on save as. I'll click on C drive, Sigwin, delete folder, exp5 it is I'm doing. So exp5. So here I need to paste. Okay, what I have done is exp5.tcl I have created here. So I'll save there, close. What I do next is I'll go to delete exp5. This one I'll control X, exp5. Here I am going to paste. Then what I do next is here I'll double click it. Then here I'm going to, after N0, N1, N2, N3 nodes definition, here I'm going to create a LAN between these 2. $ns, the command is $ns space make -LAN space, within the double quotes I need to write $N0 space $N1. I'll do one thing, I'll cut. See, I have not entered 0, I have entered O. See, now it is 0. So Control C, Control V. So here $N2, $N3. So 4 nodes have defined space 10 MB space 10 milliseconds space LL space Q / drop tail space MAC /802_3. So after entering this, I need to enter 6 more lines, and those 6 lines I need to enter after this application definition, or before the termination I need to enter 6 lines. So which is set space file1 space square bracket open place space file1 dot tr. File1 is any file, file3 also I can create, space w, close this square bracket, then $TCP 0 space attach space $file1, enter. I need to write $TCP 0 space T trace space CWND underscore. Now what I do, I'll copy these 3 lines, Control C, I'll enter here. So wherever file1 is there, I need to write file2. Here also 2, here also 2. Yeah, that's it. And TCP 0, wherever it is there, I have to write TCP 1. So fine. So after attaching one TCP to one file and other TCP1 to second file, then I am going to save this, and I'll go to X. Here I will execute. Actually I have to close this. I need not put close. So because unnecessary files should be closed. So here I'll come and I'll enter ns exp5.tcl. So arrow marks also I can use, so which will fetch the previous commands. So we have to go to our folder first actually. So cd space exp5, enter. Now I'll click on ls. I'll just check what is there in this ls. Yes, exp5.tcl is there. So ns space exp5.tcl, enter. Now the name output came. So here this console I'll minimize and this I'll maximize. Yeah, I will run this. So between 1 to 2 time duration, see the data packets have been getting transferred. So this, we have to verify the traffic between these two things. For that, what I have to do is, so I can increase the step size here as per the previous video instructions. Then this is have been run through. So I'll close this window now because this window is no longer needed. Console window also I'll close. Now I will open AWK file. For that, what I do, I'll minimize this ns, and here programmer notepad, I'll double click, file, save as, exp5. Here I am going to save exp5.awk. So here I will write the code. The code is very simple AWK code. So AWK file we have typed here. So after this typing AWK file, save this. After saving, we can close this AWK file. And here in this particular thing, awk command is different. Awk space -f space exp5 dot awk space file1 dot tr space greater than symbol space f1 dot xls. So this command I have typed and clicked on enter. The next also same, but f2 I will write, and then file2.tr I will type. So end enter. Now what we can observe here in our Dilip exp5 folder is f1 f2 excel file is also created, file1 and file2 both trace file is also created. Now I'll open f1. So this set of values came. So what I'll do in this experiment, congestion I'll try to see. For that I will select all the values here. After selecting these two column values, I'll go to insert, then here line, and the first one only I'll select. So here we can see the window. So the x-axis is time window, y-axis is congestion, the traffic. So like this we can get the output. Similarly we can do for F2 as well. I'll show for F2. So F2 is also open. The A column values are time, B column values are congestion or traffic, how much traffic is there. So I'll go to insertion, insert, line, and the first one. So this is the second graph. First and second graph looks almost similar. So this is about our congestion window illustration. Thank you.